Alright guys, we're going to work on measures 48 to 56 in Lost Tomb of the Incas. This is the alto saxophone and trumpet parts. You guys have a cool counter melody going on here, meaning you're not the primary melody, but you're important because you're supporting that primary melody. So this is the alto part in front of us. I'm going to mark what we're working on. We are working on 48 to 56. Move this over just a little bit. So we're working right here, 48, 48, stopping right here at 56 today, okay? So looking at this, the alto saxophones, you notice there's nothing in your key signature, so all of our Fs are natural. Because you normally play with F sharps, I would go ahead and mark those Fs and make sure that you remember that they are natural. So I'm going to mark them first. And then I'm going to go behind that and I'm going to put a natural sign, just so that I do not forget to play those natural. So this rhythm is pretty straightforward, quarter notes and half notes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. Pretty much repeats itself the second time too, also, so you can see that's very repetitive. All right, we're going to go on over to the trumpet part. Make sure there's nothing fancy here that we need to pay attention to. So we're working on 48, stopping at 56. Our key signature tells us that we're going to have B flats. So we're going to look through this. I see one, and we're going to go ahead and mark it because that way we will remember that it is a B flat. And there's another one right there. Those are the only two. Again, the rhythm is the same, quarter notes and half notes here. And we just want to make sure that we have some good phrasing. I'm going to look at the score. And I'm going to suggest that we breathe right here. We'll see how that goes when the whole band's playing together. But that's my suggestion, is after the half note 51. All right, so I'm going to play this for you. I'm going to show you how to practice getting it up to tempo. The tempo for this song is pretty fast. It's 132. We're going to start at 110 on our metronome. 1 and 2, 48, ready. Played it 110 a couple of times pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up a little bit to 120. 1 and 2, 48, ready. Do that a few times, then I'm going to keep on rolling to 132, which is our actual tempo. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. And just make sure that you can play with a good full sound, and the next steps would be to work on this decrescendo at measure 55.